Hello everyone, my name is Gulshin Kaur and my pronouns are she and her. I work with Pride Circle as a program manager for Pride in Education. Welcome to the second day of Pride at Summit 2021. Pride Circle is India's premium D&I organization with a mission to enable and empower the LGBT plus people. Since being founded by Srini Ramaswamy and Ramakrishna Sinha in 2017, we have grown to have over 30 employees within our organization with 68% LGBT plus representation and teams working remotely from more than 10 cities across India. I can go on about what we are doing, but that would not give you the essence of who we are. For me, Pride Circle is more than just an organization, it's a safe space. This is a space where I can be my true amazing self, where I'm learning and unlearning so many things every day. A place where I'm allowed to try new things and ideas because I know I'll always have my safety net. Before joining the Pride Circle, I had a very limited idea about their work. But when I got an opportunity to work here, I realized how Pride Circle is more than just a D&I training or hiring firm, but an organization focused on creating holistic social impact. We have three core areas, starting from the grassroots level to the apex level. That is empowering the individuals of LGBT plus community and allies, transforming organizations and educational institutions to foster a culture of inclusion, and finally, impacting the larger society by bringing about these changes. From the very beginning, education and inclusion have been my area of interest, and coming from a multidisciplinary field provides me with a holistic perspective to look at things. By getting an opportunity to be a part of Pride in Education, I wish to bring similar changes through my work in the society. Pride in Education, as the name rightly suggests, is a space where we are working towards fostering LGBT plus inclusion in educational institutions and home and building a safe space, keeping in mind all the stakeholders that come under the educational ecosystem. Being a part of this ecosystem, I have seen why we are in need of inclusive practices and methodologies. Nurturing a child's untapped mind is a task of utmost importance, which not only requires good teachers, but also systems that are supportive and education that is representative and inclusive. And that is what we at Pride in Education aim to do with small steps that we have taken and shall continue to take in the near future to build more opportunities and inclusive spaces. To understand these gaps more, we did a research publication called Fostering Pride in Higher Education, which talks about the on-ground realities for LGBT plus students. This publication was done in partnership with BCG and IIM Ahmedabad. With the help of findings and insights, we came up with a change-making program for students called the Campus Partner Program, which is a voluntary internship program. We support our CPP interns in creating projects which are going to have a positive social impact. We became a catalyst for change for these students who are trying to make a difference one step at a time. And today we feel they have grown so much in such a short span of time. Additionally, we have seen an increment of 33% LGBT plus representation since our last cohort. Every time we meet these students, we notice new changes coming up, from someone adding their pronouns next to their name, to how their understanding of LGBT plus community has evolved and how they have started building a space which they feel is safe for them here with us and for their peers. And these changes motivated us to keep building this community further. And here we are at the Pride Ed Summit 2021. And this time we involved all the stakeholders under this ecosystem, from students, parents, educators, to organizations and youth bodies, to be the real change makers and take the affirmative action for LGBT plus inclusion in education. We have 702 attendees with over 70% students from across India, 18% employees, 10% educators, and 2% parents. Among this 70% of students, we have 301 LGBT plus students ready to explore new opportunities. I would also like to highlight something really important, that here at Pride at Summit, we have 55% allies, because when it comes to being an ally, it's never a question of to be or not to be. And we are so happy that you all are here today with us to celebrate the impact that LGBT plus community is making in all the possible fields and to be a part of this journey towards building a safe and inclusive space and fostering belonging in education. Students, remember to stay till the end and attend the speed networking session. We have some amazing inclusive companies participating. So here's a chance for you to interact, engage, and stand out. Yesterday, we learned about LGBT plus inclusion in classrooms and workplace and how the concept of inclusion is not just limited to these two areas, but it begins at home, begins with the family. And today we are going to celebrate and learn more about the impact that LGBT plus community is making in the field of STEM, entrepreneurship, as well as in the creative field. And we're coming up with a pool of opportunities in the form of our new program launch. So stay with us till the end. So let's foster belonging in education. Remember to share about Summit and your learnings with the world and tag us with #Pride at Summit and be the change makers. Thank you.